question we hear from members a lot. I know I'm supposed to be saving money, but by the time I pay for my bills and all my other expenses, there's never anything left to put into a savings account or retirement fund. It feels like a losing battle. How can I change it?
Oh yes, this is a question that sounds very familiar. I get so many coaching clients that come in with this exact same question. So first, I know you're not alone. Trying to make paychecks stretch enough to cover all of your expenses in between paydays is a challenge enough in itself. But then trying to set some money aside for a savings goal, it's even more overwhelming and challenging. It feels like an impossible task.
But there are solutions to this problem.
Yes, thankfully, it all starts with setting up healthy financial habits.
To start with, we need to know where our money is going before we can do anything to adjust our situation. So we always recommend that coaching clients track their spending for at least a couple of weeks to get a better idea. You can use a spreadsheet, a notebook, or app on your phone. It doesn't really matter how you track, just that you remember to do it and include every expense that comes in for that duration you're tracking.
Once we have a clear picture of where all our money is going, we can be more mindful of our needs versus our wants. Which expenses we think as needs versus which expenses we think as wants. That varies from person to person, but we all have some of each.
To make room for savings, we need to either find a way to add more income or cut down or eliminate some spending from our wants categories, or some combination of the both.
The next healthy financial habit is called paying yourself first. This means that part of your paycheck immediately goes into your savings account, ideally before you ever see it hit your checking account. This happens automatically with every paycheck.
If you're nervous about doing this, start with tiny amounts. Even $5 a paycheck will be more than nothing, and it helps you start the healthy financial habit of always setting money aside for a rainy day.
You'll be surprised once you get this automatic savings set up. You won't need to think about your money, and it will automatically build up every month in your savings account. As you start to feel more comfortable and confident, you can slowly raise the amount automatically that gets saved each month.
Of course, if you want more help and would like us to walk you through the steps as it pertains to your specific financial situation, you can always sign up for a free coaching session with us at canopycu.com/coach.
And if you have any more questions you'd like us to address in our next videos, be sure to let us know in the comments below.